So Kylie Jenner broke the internet this week, really the plastic surgery world, by mentioning that she has 445 cc's moderate profile implants placed halfway below the muscle in silicone. So let's break that down because there's going to be a lot of patients walking in asking for a 445 cc implant, and it might not necessarily give them the same look as Kylie Jenner. Because here's the thing, depending on the breast width that you have or the size of your torso, a 445 cc implant is going to look very differently in different patients, which is why when you come see me, we have a dedicated appointment to just sizing and getting the appropriate size for you. But what you need to focus on is the other stuff that she also mentioned, which is just as important because it determines the shape of the breast that you're going to get. So she mentioned she has silicone implants. We know there's different types of implants, but she also mentioned that the implant is moderate profile. So I have two 440 cc implants in front of me. This is a moderate profile implant. It has less projection, and this is a high profile implant. So for the same volume, you're seeing more projection on this particular implant. But there's more than just that. Do you want a rounded look? Do you want a more ergonomic look where it changes with gravity? It gives you a more anatomical shape. So there's a lot of stuff to talk about in your consultation. Another thing that she mentioned was dual plane, meaning where did they place the implant? So the implant for her was placed halfway under the muscle and halfway over the muscle, which traumatizes the muscle, but at the same time, it's one of the most common techniques that we used to do. But I'll be honest, now we're moving towards preservation, which is basically we're trying to preserve the structures in that area. So you're going to hear about subfascial techniques or other types of techniques where it preserves the accessory ligaments around the breast in order to give you a more natural look. All of these can be talked about in your consultation. I'm Dr. Zahedi, a plastic surgeon in Aventura. So let's talk about breast implants and augmentation, and just know there's more than just a 445 cc implant that's going to give you the answer to have that Kylie Jenner breast. And maybe that might not be for you. Whatever is your goal, that's what we're aiming for. So come talk to us in clinic.